Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix HP Touchpad not working in Windows 11 or 10. Okay, first things first, or the method number 1, double tap in the upper left corner of the touchpad. Double tap in the upper left corner of the touchpad because sometimes this simple action can reactivate the touchpad. Method number 2 is to allow Windows to detect and to fix the touchpad problem. This can be an automated process that resolves common issues. Method number 3 is to check for an updated touchpad driver because some HP laptops may have driver-related issues. If available, update the touchpad driver. If updating doesn't work, consider uninstalling the driver and then restarting your device. Method number 4 is if updating the driver doesn't work, you can try uninstalling it and then restarting your device. Windows may reinstall the driver during the restart. Method number 5, which is the last one, is to check for and repair corrupted systems files that may be affecting the touchpad. Open then a command prompt and type sfc/scan now, then press enter. And that's it. After providing 5 methods, hope you can fix your touchpad not working in Windows 11 or 10. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix HP touchpad not working in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!